Good morning, this is Celestino Drago and welcome in my new restaurant, OSTERIA Drago. This is my newest project to continue with the great tradition of Drago in Santa Monica, the original. I love to capture again what we've done for so many years and keeping creating the great foods that we've been creating for so many years. Let me tell you a little bit about the cuisine, what we are doing here. And what we are doing really take the traditional, authentic Italian dishes and just create the way people want to eat now. You know, a little healthier, with a little bit more presentation. So we have a farmer's market right here next to us on Thursday now. Then we just getting a lot of stuff from them and make really fun and provide a great service and a great wine list. Come over, eat, drink, and you have a good time.
Whoa!